My name is Itzia.
My name is Anna.
And my name is Andrea.
Today we present a biography of Daniel Defoe and Edgar Allan Poe.
Edgar Allan Poe was a writer from Boston. Edgar Allan Poe was born in 19th of January in 1691 in Boston. He is best known for his works
Market Street Dreams and Edgar Allan Poe died young. He died on 7 of October and on 1849 in Baltimore.
Daniel Defoe was a British novelist. Daniel Defoe was born on 1st of September in 1616 in London. He is best known for his works
Robinson Crusoe, The Cat with Bolt. Daniel Defoe did all he did at the age of 17 of 24 of April in 1771 in London.